A big part of attaining financial independence is being able to live on a budget. So today we're going to look at how we make our breakfast for 86 cents. What's up guys, Gab and Bren here, back with another video. So today we're going to look at our cheap and sustainable breakfast. So this one's going to help your wallet and the planet. But first, if you guys would just take a second to appreciate my mustache in this video. So Gabby actually dared me to shave myself a mustache for this video. So if you guys like it, make sure to give us a thumbs up down below so I know to keep continuing with it.
Alright guys, so a bit of a spoiler alert here. Our 86-cent breakfast is overnight oats. Okay, but there's three main things that we want to talk about before getting into how we make this. So the three main parts is that with this breakfast, we are reducing waste. And then another part is that we're saving money. And then it's also more nutritious for you by making it at home. So let's tackle reducing waste. So we bought a 50-pound bag of oats at our local bulk store, which is called GFS, Gordon Food Service. You might have one near you. It's similar to like a Costco, but just on a smaller scale, and you don't need a membership. So we realized that we ate a lot of oats. We were actually going to the store about once a week to buy like a Quaker container. But it just felt so wasteful to go to the store every week and buy the same exact container. We knew that there had to be a better way, but we shop at Publix and there was not a larger container than what we're buying. So we said, why don't we look into like buying bulk oats? Online options weren't the best just because buying bulk online, shipping typically kills you. I mean,
when you're buying like 50-pound bags,
yes,
like shipping adds up.
So we went down to GFS and we got this 50-pound bag for $39. So it comes out to 5 cents an ounce. It's insanely cheap. I mean, we've been making like power balls, like oat flour for banana pancakes, oat milk, and our overnight oats that we have for breakfast. But what's so important about not only the money that's here, but it's the waste. We were going through one package every single week in this bag. So like to date, I think it's been 4 months that we've had it, and we still have like maybe like another 2 to 4 months left in it. And what's awesome too is that it comes in a big paper bag. So this bag can be recycled, and it's actually it's biodegradable. So there's a stat by the EPA that says 45% of waste in landfill comes from food packaging and containers. So almost half of the waste in all of the United States landfills comes from food packaging and food waste. So that's your takeout, that's your little oatmeal cups, your packets, like your utensils, 45%. Yeah, so for reducing waste, what we want to challenge you guys to do is to think about an item that you use daily and think if you can buy that item in bulk. All right, next up is going to be saving money.
So yeah, while it's cool to help the planet, definitely thumbs up for that. I also love that you can save money by buying in bulk. So our example of our overnight oats that we buy, or we make, I guess, ourselves, is 86 cents per serving. So we eating that, 2 of us each every morning. Not necessarily every morning, but a snack for breakfast, whatever it is. An equivalent purchase of that in a store is going to be about twice as much, at like around $160 for a pre-made like cup of oats to go. So that's like, it's twice as much. When you think on it on a one-day scale, it's not a ton of money saving like 80 cents a day, but you add up those savings over time. Like over the course of a year, if you're saving 10 cents a day, let's say, over the course of a year, you're going to be saving $36.50. If that doesn't sound like a lot, you can save $1 a day, and that'll be $365 a year. But just showing that on a day-to-day basis, even just a small incremental change in the habits of what you buy really can add up over time.
All right, guys, so the last part is that how making stuff at home, buying in bulk, typically all of this stuff is better for you since you're skipping all of the additives and the processed sugars and whatnot in these foods. You're getting like the best food for your human vehicle. You know, that's amazing. What if I told you that these overnight oats had like all of like your carbs, protein, fiber, which like 97% of Americans are deficient in fiber, and whatnot. So like guys, so it's so good for you that by buying in bulk, you're getting better quality ingredients at a better price. So it's really a win-win, reducing waste, saving money, better ingredients. So let's roll the video of us making it and we'll talk you through it.
All right, so these are our Tupperwares that we use, and we're gonna pull out our oats and put a half cup in each of these servings. You can put more, you can put less, but half cup is good. So then we got our flax here that we're totally running low on, and we put about a tablespoon in each one, and guys, just eye the measurements. This is our protein powder. We really do this. Oh, that's my smiley face spoon. The protein powder is really just for flavor. We have a vanilla one. We're not really like, oh my God, need to be huge. It's just a fun little addition that we like. And then you want to go ahead and stir the cups up because we're going to add liquid soon, so you don't want it to get clumpy. But before we do that, we got some raisins that we're going to top off about a tablespoon or two. I mean, I'm putting like just a small little handful, sprinkle. Yeah, you could put anything else, but we had raisins on hand, so it works. And then we're putting in about like 3/4 of a cup of water. Really eyeball it until the oats get submerged because they're gonna absorb all of this water as you let them soak in the fridge. Before topping them off, you just want to stir them up a bit nice and evenly. Make sure you got no powder clumps or anything like that. And once that's all done, you are good to go. So go ahead and cap these bad boys off, and you're just gonna stick them in your fridge. Honestly, we use quick oats, so they don't have to be overnight, but we tend to do it overnight. In about an hour, these things would be great.
So now you guys know the secret to our success, waking up in the morning and starting with these overnight oats. Really though, it's helping the environment, it's better for you, and it's cheaper. Like, why not buy it? But this recipe comes in at about 350 calories total, so it's a great start to the day. I think it's more ideal for someone like Gab, like someone like myself that's a little bit larger. I'm like 180 pounds. You can dress it up a little bit. You can eat it in a higher volume. You can put some peanut butter on it, top it with like berries or banana, drizzle some agave, really whatever you want to add some calories, get a little bit more volume to start the day. But that is how we do it.
Yeah, so guys, if you like this video and you kind of like seeing what we eat in a day or something, let us know in the comments down below. You guys want a kitchen tour? We have a Vitamix and we love it. So let us know down in the comments below if you guys want to see more comment like this, and give it a thumbs up if you guys like our overnight oats, because we personally love them. So thank you so much for tuning in to another video with Gab and Bren. We'll catch you guys next time.